We had a conversation a couple of weeks ago with Dr. Nick Delgado, who's back in our Hollywood studios. Let's take a look at that right now. Joined now in studio by two gentlemen from the Delgado Protocol. The first is Mr. Mitch Abrahams. Of course, he is a medical advocate. And Mitch, welcome to the program.
Thank you.
And of course, the namesake of the Delgado Protocol, Dr. Nick Delgado. Nick, always good to see you.
Great to be here.
Nick, you always have fascinating words of wisdom for us. What's on tap this week?
Well, one of the biggest concerns worldwide in men is basically intimate function or dysfunction. We call it ED. And it's a sign that there could be underlying problems such as clogged arteries, pending coronary heart disease. There could be hormone dysbiosis. So it's not solved by a simple pill. And I think the world needs to know that there's problems associated with estrogen dominance in men, not just in women. So we've created a whole protocol, very simple, with a combination of a few products, some dietary change, and hormonal intervention that dramatically restores men's function to ideal function, that to where they were like 24 years old again.
That's really interesting. Now, of course, I always kind of get a kick out of these commercials where they end with two people sitting in opposite bathtubs, and I think, well, that doesn't seem to work. But Mitch, being a medical advocate, you know, there's a lot of advertising being spent on TV promoting a drug for this dysfunction. You know, what do you think of what's going on here?
You know, it's one of the most widely sold drugs in the world is for erectile dysfunction. There's a reason why. These are products that have the potential to naturally address erectile dysfunction from a multitude of ways, not just dealing with the circulatory issues that people have, but also with the hormone balancing. Everybody knows, I mean, people are always looking to increase their testosterone levels. Men are going to the doctor saying, give me prescriptions for testosterone. So there's multiple reasons why people have these issues, and these products are aimed to address both of those issues.
Now, Nick, I guess when I take a look at the various products that come under the umbrella of Delgado Protocol, it really all centers on natural, doesn't it?
Well, yes, we've spent nearly 10 years and over $1 million in researching and talking with and working with the top anti-aging doctors in the world. And the reality is that much of what can be accomplished these days has a core relationship, whether it be enzyme dysfunction or hormonal dysbiosis or just simply being out of shape. You know, all these things can be solved not by one single target, but kind of a combination that brings the body back into balance. And so this balance of conditions related to ED or sexual dysfunction, we're sending out a free tape, a CD, and a DVD, and even a free sample of a product item. If people just check our website and mention they saw the show, they'll find out for themselves how well it works.
The Delgado Protocol. Mitch Abrahams and Nick Delgado, thanks so much.
Great.
Well, that's all the time we have on this episode of Health This Week, as we've been on location at the My Healthy Life Expo in Orange County, California. Thanks so much for joining us. Don't forget to visit our website, healthtelevision.com. I'm Don Baillargeon. Thanks for being with us. See you next week.